Welcome to today's tip. Just getting an earful from Ramesh here. So we're going to use a random number generator, pick a page from 1 to 700, and give you a practical tip from Maintenance and Reliability Best Practices by Ramesh Gulati. And let's go see what our random number generator decides today. Feel free to pick your favorite number, follow along with your copy of Maintenance and Reliability Best Practices. And today's number is 564. That seems really close to a number we just did, but let's go see. So page 564 is today's number. Let us see what we shall see. 564 is, I love this, some references. So it is not actually, however, on this list of references, there's a couple of books. One is, of course, Ron Moore's What Tools When, and another one is the Latino Brothers Root Cause Analysis, Improving Performance for Bottom Line Results. That's a phenomenal book. So my tip of the day is go get a copy of that. They do a really good job of articulating root cause analysis and making it practical for application inside your plant, not just telling you what the tool is for, but also aligning, how to complete it, how to implement action items, how to make sure that you're looking very specifically at solving problems and making your plant better. So I highly recommend the Latino Brothers and this book, Root Cause Analysis, Improving Performance for Bottom Line Results. It is a necessity inside your organization if you are interested in root cause analysis. We do teach a root cause analysis course. It is offered in 2026 in May. It's May 18th and 19th. It is a virtual course. And it's a good course because it's root cause analysis for technical applications. So we do look at some of the other tools that may be a standard inside your plant, like a fishbone diagram, and we talk about why that's not a good approach for technical applications. And so it's actually a really well done course where we get you to utilize all those tools and decide for yourself which ones work better under which types of scenarios. Some easy scenarios, some more complicated scenarios, and utilizing those tools, the wrong tool in a specific scenario becomes very obvious. And so it's a really good class for giving you that understanding. So I know today's tip was not necessarily everything we promised. However, it is a really good tip. Go read the Latino Brothers book and join us for root cause analysis on May 18th and 19th, root cause analysis for technical applications, and go implement a root cause analysis approach that is successful, that eliminates issues, reduces probability of recurrence, and goes and, well, essentially makes tomorrow better than today.